Lightning. Yeah, your phone's terrible.
I know.
This is Trevor.
Hello. I'm the background voice in every other video.
Pipe down, boy.
Most videos.
Alright. There's some storms over there. You can see a few lightning flashes. This will make a good time lapse. Oh, look at that one. Also, it is really, really humid out here. Really humid. Nice one. This will make a good time lapse. I should have brought a bottle of water or something. It's so hot out here. Oh, look at that one. Travis, does your phone pick up the flashes?
I'm not looking at the phone.
Does it,
I'm not filming everywhere.
does it pick up the flashes? Here, I'm gonna move down here. Ah, I kicked the tripod just as that lightning hit.
Dude, I don't think mine's touching the light.
Hmm.
Oh my god, that. Oh crap. Dude, he just flew like a foot from me.
Oh yeah, the bats are out.
Didn't you get hit by a bat? Not a baseball bat.
Fun fact, I made that story up.
Yeah, I thought so.
I was young and stupid.
What'd you get hit with a rock?
I got a light.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Quiet, boy. You will speak when spoken to.
No. Oh, no.
Whoa, that was a really bright one.
Please tell me I caught that. He's just looking up that way, like camera facing that way, like,
Okay, that white spot up in there, that's the top of the storm going up.
It's a cloud.
Alright,
It's
shush.
a cloud.
It's getting dark to the point that my camera's all fuzzy. Is that... Oh, jeez, I gotta clean my lens. Oh, that fixed it. I figured out how to... Oh, that was perfect. I figured out how to unblur my camera.
Hey, that white spot up there looks like a hawk. Like a dragon.
It does look like a hawk.
No, it looks like some dude with
Looks like a bird. You see that?
Dragon, horse head, dragon
It doesn't look like one anymore.
tail, dragon body,
Alright, we get it.
human legs, ginormous feet,
We got it.
tap dancing.
Oh, there was a bolt in there. It was way in there. Did you see that?
Dude, it looks like some human.
Holy crap, this is awesome.
Like human dragon tap dancing.
Alright, shush.
Like breaking.
Shush, shush. You're ruining the storm's natural beauty.
Shut up. I ruin your face.
No more. Look at that.
Is that rain off in the distance by that mountain?
Nah, I
over
think
there?
that's probably just fog. Every time we see a flash, there's like a million lightning bolts inside the cloud. That's a lie. That was a lie.
No.
What time is it? It is 9:10 p.m. Oh look, there's more off that way.
Yeah, I saw some behind that mountain. Yeah, that's what.
But we're gonna keep watching this storm because
Oh,
it's...
better.
Alright, I'm gonna leave the camera trained on this one and I'm going to watch that one.
Like this is the biggest storm you've ever seen.
Alright, be careful, don't kick the tripod. I do that too much.
Kick. I broke my. You're like.
I should take better care of this thing. The legs are starting to bow, it's all rusted.
Really? Dude, you love that thing like
the
a
clips are
child.
rusted.
You don't even let me touch it.
Exactly.
And you kick it on your free time? Nice parenting. You're like,
I need to leave a disclaimer.
Trevor, don't touch it. My leg. Oh, are you okay,
Alright.
tripod.
Quiet. Anyway, I need to leave a disclaimer in the beginning of this video. Be wary for the points when I shine a bright light in front of the lens. Like right now.
Now that looks like a duck. With the pig eyes.
I can't see it anymore, dude.
No, with a rat head, actually.
Alright. I wish I had a really wide angle lens
Dude,
to
these
cut.
bats
Wow.
are like freaking me out.
This is gonna be an awesome time lapse.
Oh, I call sliding down the hill.
Do not slide down their hill. They'll tear up their grass.
Oh, I thought you were
This
gonna
isn't our
say
yard.
something like they're gonna come out with a shotgun.
They're gonna come after us.
Shotgun.
Now they're too friendly for that.
No, they hate me. Every
They
time
do
I
not-
wave to them, they're like, "You piss me off."
I hate you.
I just realized something.
What?
Every time there's lightning, I'm holding my camera with two fingers, and it always slides this way.
Okay,
And
no
it
more
doesn't even
dialogue.
record it.
No more dialogue, because when I make this, a time lapse, it's gonna sound like.
You're not catching that right. You know that, right?
Hmm?
I just saw that thing go off, and it didn't show up in here.
Just watch it. See
was
that?
over there.
It catches it.
No, it doesn't. That was way off there.
Well, because I'm not pointing it over there.
Mm-mm-mm.
Oh, this is awesome.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
You've seen tons better.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, you have.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, you have.
This is the best night storm.
Sure.
It is.
What is it?
Yeah, I've seen
Then
5 night storms,
the
and this is the
best
best.
night storm was the 5 days of terror.
No, that was nowhere near the best. This is the
Really?
best. Yes. I can see the entire thunderstorm column
You're a
with
lunatic.
frequent flashes of lightning.
Okay, I'm gonna rewatch this film because I want to see if I
Oh,
actually caught
I
it.
put my camera in the way of that one. I mean, my phone.
I thought that was it. Something.
What was that?
Me.
Was that your video? Alright,
Dude.
no more dialogue.
Dude.
No more
I
dialogue.
didn't.
No
Look,
more,
Look.
no more dialogue.
Look at my video. I'm gonna go through it really fast. Oh wait, there's like one thing of lightning. Nothing.
Alright, no more dialogue.
Nothing. I didn't catch a single lightning.
Then you can just go back and watch my video and add more views to my view count.
No, man.
No more dialogue.
I'll subscribe.
No more dialogue.
I'll subscribe to you then unsubscribe to you.
Okay, no more. We're gonna wake somebody up. Alright, we're going to pan quickly over here. There's another large growing storm over there with some lightning. Just watch that for like a minute.
Oh my god, like some ginormous bolt way off in the distance. You missed it.
I don't think we're gonna see any bolts. So the lightning's way off in there. Huh,
Way
or
off
not.
in there. Sounds weird.
I'm gonna move down the hill.
You know what? There's footsteps behind us. You hear that?
Oh, don't make me think about that. It's pitch black out here. No, I don't hear that. Alright.
Yeah, I got like
Moving on, taking a little field trip down here.
field trip. Yeah.
Shush. No more dialogue.
Where are we going on this field trip?
Stop. It's getting too dark to focus on anything. Man.
Can we go home soon? Whoa.
Sooner or later.
Did you catch that?
Yes, I caught that.
Cool.
Alright, where?
Oh my god, what the frick is on me? Moth? What the frick is that? Whoa.
Don't bump the camera.
It's getting on my face. It's like, what? Whoa.
Okay, me forget what I was gonna do.
Nice job.
What was I gonna do? Yeah, I forgot. Good idea. That's all I can remember is that it was a good idea. How much time do I have left? I have an hour and 24 minutes left. Dude, we've only been going for 10 minutes. Alright, watch your eyes.
Check this screenshot of lightning.
What?
Where'd it go?
I don't know, just stop it.
Where'd it go?
Go away. Ooh, gosh, that feels nice. Doesn't that feel nice?
No. Wait, what feels nice?
The breeze.
Oh, yeah. Thought
What
meant
did you
all
think I was
the,
talking
thought you
about?
meant
Watch
all
the
the
tripod.
mosquitoes.
Watch out.
Yeah, I'm gonna kick it down my hill.
Just
Hi.
stop. Okay, we're gonna shift this way a bit because there's more lightning off to the left. God, what was I gonna do?
Look,
What?
this.
Yeah. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, I remember what I was gonna do.
You were gonna sculpt.
Dude, I'm gonna try to take a picture of the lightning with my other camera, which I know is going to be absolutely impossible.
You're like freaking out over lightning.
I like lightning.
I'm freaking out about
Alright,
like
no more dialogue.
newest supercar.
No more dialogue.
When I see like,
No more dialogue.
okay, you'll laugh when you see this though. You know you will.
I missed that one. No more dialogue. Stop. Good lord.
Good lord, what?
Stupid camera.
I thought you were gonna say I'm stupid.
It takes like 5 seconds to take a picture.
Don't tell me that's not funny. You know
Alright,
that's
now-
funny. You know that's
No more dialogue.
bad.
Do you even know what dialogue means?
Probably no, I don't.
It means talking.
I'm joking. You think I'm stupid?
Yes.
I thought you were gonna ask me
Speaking-
something I don't know. Like, I'm joking. Is that lightning?
Stop.
I'm gonna roll down the hill.
I'm just gonna take a bunch of pictures and hope I catch something.
That's how the loser does it. Doesn't it take like 3 seconds to take a picture?
On a good camera. I should have brought.
No, that one. How long does it take?
It's like press the button. Picture.
Mine's like.
That's why I never bother with lightning.
Should I just spam photos?
Why I
and
just
hope?
screenshot it and post.
Spam and hope.
Ah, I still had the light on.
Oh, just spammed a couple out of
Here, stop it.
it. No.
I'll just use my phone, yeah. Now, watch the tripod. I actually have a
fun.
chance with this.
I know, right? I'm gonna go into the timeline.
Alright, shush. I got that one.
You did?
I finally did it.
Yeah.
I got a good picture. Look at
I
that.
did too.
Look at that. I did it. I did it.
Yeah, I can too.
Watch it. Don't go in the camera's
You
line.
try to catch lightning.
You
I
guys-
try to catch
you
cars
guys
on
have
the
no idea.
highway.
You guys have no idea how much this means to me. You have no idea.
He's trying to catch all
I
the
didn't get that
lightning
one.
strikes. I'm trying to catch all the cars driving 80 on the
No
highway.
more shush.
I hiss. There's lightning over there.
I know that.
Well, he yelled at me. I like breeze.
Yeah, the breeze is nice.
Creepy behind us. Look back.
Don't make me look away. I'll miss lightning.
I'm just
Ah,
You're just doing
is
a
that a good picture?
ginormous time lapse of like
that
in
is somewhat
one
of a good
area.
picture. You don't know what time lapse means.
What?
Did you say time lapse?
Yeah,
Time lapse is a video
I know. That's what I'm doing.
that's sped up
I
a
know.
lot
I know.
to show how the time lapses.
No dick, Sherlock.
Why are you doing that if you're moving your camera around?
Me?
Hmm.
Little old me.
No, the people who live here.
I hate you.
Did you say ye?
What?
Never mind.
giant.
Ooh, I got that one.
You did?
Check
wow.
that. Dude, look.
That's okay. Look.
It's good, dude. All these pictures will be on
What's that noise?
Google Plus. That's a dog.
Oh, I thought that was like
Anyway,
some.
These pictures will be on Google Plus the Google Plus
You do
weather
this like
photography.
every night while you're not home.
What?
You do this like every night when you're not home.
Only when there's
Like
storms.
when there's a storm and we're like, "Where's Connor?" Is this what you're doing?
What do you mean? Who asks where's Connor?
We all do.
I always tell them where I'm going.
No, we always say like, we know you're out filming. We're like, how long does it take you?
I'm not in danger.
Man, dude, like 5 houses away, there was like a coyote in someone's backyard.
I meant I'm not in danger of lightning.
Yeah,
That-
you kind of are.
No, we're not.
You have a big metal bowl.
We're perfectly fine right here. Plus, the lightning's gonna go for me. It's gonna go for that 50-foot tree next to me.
You're not next to it.
That tree,
Yeah, but
or this house,
mostly the
or those
house.
trees, or those houses.
Mm.
Did I really have my finger in front of the camera this whole time?
Oh,
In front of my phone?
I hate it when that happens.
I know.
You're like filming and then your finger like dips in front. I do that so much at that vintage Grand Prix. I'm like recording cars right when it goes by, my fingers
Come
in
on.
front of the camera like dipping down
That-
and it blocks somebody.
That light you see in the middle of the screen is from the nearby town of Zelienople.
What? I thought
Zeely's down there. Don't throw dirt at
Oh
me.
wait, that's Zelienople?
Yeah, just north of us.
Really?
Yes, that's where Route 79 goes.
Yes. Strike CVE. Strike it hard with lightning.
Quiet boy.
I want that place to burn.
I'm done giving information about us. Ooh, did you see that bolt in there?
No.
There was a bolt in there.
I got it on time lapse. You hear my voice? I'm like,
Time lapse doesn't work when you're holding it and it's not sitting still.
it works. Really, it doesn't.
No, the
Well.
video just looks like.
Good point. Oh my god, I have an app.
That's why I
called-
use a tripod.
Dude, you should get this app called Slow Mo. You can slow down videos.
It holds the camera for me.
You should get that app. It works. It's really good. Like I did it.
No
with-
paid endorsements.
What? No paid. I wasn't paid.
Shush.
Oh my god, you're so right. Looks like
I warned you.
you weren't right.
Is that all air rushing into the storm?
I'm guessing.
I thought it would be far enough away so that it wouldn't be doing that. Ooh, that was oh no, that wasn't a good one. That was a terrible one. It was almost a good one. My finger was in the camera again.
Dang it, I can't get it. Dang it. Get this piece of lightning.
I just tried 3 times to get a picture of that.
Oh my god.
I think it's even getting too dark for my phone.
Got it.
Shush.
Connor, look at that. What does that look
I
like?
can't look.
Looks like a foot.
Don't stand in front of the camera.
Looks like a foot. Looked
You're
like a
oh
giant-
my god, I didn't get that
Look
one.
at this one. Wait, where was it?
I'm not watching a video.
I'm not. I didn't show you a
Good,
video.
shush. Alright, this phone is starting to take pictures slowly.
You're looking at the lightning.
Fine.
I'm
Let's-
looking in the direction of
Alright,
the cars
Let's
streaming.
let's
down
try
the
something.
road.
Let's see if we can be quiet for the remainder of this video. Stop.
Look
No
at this
more.
one. Look at this one.
No more. That's good, but no more.
Your camera. Can I show you
No.
camera? Please.
No. Get no noises.
Subscribe
noises.
if he's a bully.
Get okay, I give up.
You gave up on life? Are you going to
No.
I was just gonna try to set my phone down here? Like, no, I'm not looking. Where's the lightning at?
Right there.
Yay!
Oh, thank God it got cooler out. Don't sit down. The grass is full of pollen.
I don't care.
Shorts will go from blue to orange
Really?
in 5 seconds.
Oh, I've been sitting.
Yeah, that happened to my
like this
shoes today because I've been running around all day.
Is it raining? Just felt something wet hit my foot.
No, I see stars above us.
Uh,
Probably
No, I
grass.
felt something hit my head now.
Really? I didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, that was a good one.
Suck it.
Anyway,
Dude, there's rain.
hold on. Funny story. Well, actually not funny. All day they were saying the storms were gonna hit us. And there's been this weird circle of protection around Pittsburgh. It's like all the storms north of us
Wait a
would...
minute.
Shush!
Did you see this pollen in the grass?
Yes.
Is that why I'm rubbing the grass? Is that why, like, my fingers feel all, like, silky-ish?
Probably.
Dang it.
Unless they're wet.
No, they're like a dry,
Okay.
silky.
Shush. Now, circle of protection around Pittsburgh. All the storms north of us would turn north, and all the storms south of us would turn south. And the storms east of us moving towards us would disappear before they got to us and reform west of us. I mean, no. Storms west of us moving east would disappear and reform west of us moving east. So we got absolutely nothing. And I've been running around all day waiting for something to happen.
What time is it?
We've been going for 21 minutes. It is 9:30.
Really?
I'll forget it. I'll sit down. Forget the pollen. These shorts will get washed.
You're living the life of me, man.
It's still humid out here, but it's
Not really.
not hot anymore.
I'm gonna lay down.
It's still hot. It's still
Did I just
sticky out here.
step on your hand?
Yes, you absolutely crushed my hand.
Yay!
Alright, let's see if we can be quiet for the rest of the video. Go.
Good luck. Is that a snake?
Where?
That's a hissing sound. Coming from over there, towards the lights.
What hissing sound?
That hissing sound.
That's not hissing.
It is like...
No, it's like locusts or something.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Sounds like a snake. Snakes go slithers.
That's not a hiss, that's a buzzing.
Whatever.
Whatever it is getting closer. Well, Trev, did you see that? The flash over there triggered the flash in the middle, which triggered the flash in there.
Did you eat some of that, like, radioactive vegetables from Gilligan's Island?
No paid endorsements of Gilligan's Island.
Or that app I was talking about? Oh, crap!
Trevor,
Oh my god.
be careful.
Sorry, I'm like
He just like did a river dance around the tripod because he almost fell on it.
I'm like,
Be
getting
careful.
Off, but then I realized
He's
we're
like,
on a hill, and then I'm like right up in like the camera. I'm like,
Dude,
get
you
low.
touched it. You knocked it off. He's like,
Oh my god, you're at that thingy right there. I tripped on it.
Stop. That's my umbrella. Stop tripping on my stuff. Just back up.
Ow.
I know I can't trust you with any of my expensive stuff. Exactly. Everything goes. Dude,
No, I
you see
kicked
that?
your face.
The flashes over there trigger the flashes over there.
They connected.
I thought I told you to be quiet. They're kind of connected.
I just
Aw,
saw
is it
some
getting-
flash in the grass.
This is probably a lightning bug. I saw a bunch of them.
Definitely. Always gotta have to beat.
Earlier I was watching a storm
My God, it's
and there were like a million lightning bugs out here. And
You
I
were
was just
out here
thinking,
earlier?
I was out here like 5 times earlier.
Oh,
Yes.
two. I remember two.
You were
of
in the
them.
basement all day.
Good point. I'm like playing.
What do you know about what I did today?
Wait.
You were playing video
paid
games.
out advertisement. Playing Forza Horizon 2. Best
All right,
game
you
ever.
know what? You know what? You know what? Just,
I'm gonna kick you. That's
I'm gonna try to get more pictures of lightning.
Spam, 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 spam.
No, that's not what I do because I would have filled my phone by now.
You know, you can just select like all the pictures you don't want.
I know, I do that all the time. All right, here we go again.
I jumped on my head.
Ah, something crawling on my leg. Ooh, first
I
try.
know, me too.
See that?
I got some crawling on my leg too. What's that on? Oh, that's a tennis ball. I saw that
gosh,
earlier
that scared
and I'm
me.
like, I'm like, hey,
What
tennis ball.
is that? Okay,
I was thinking about getting
back,
and throwing
get
it
back
at
so you
your
don't-
tripod.
get back so you don't kick it again.
I'll do heel kicks down the hill while flipping. I mean, rolling.
Shush. Just be careful.
No.
Oh, I missed that one. I wasn't
will
looking.
fall in your general direction.
Wow, what's that? Grass.
Really?
From when I sat
you
down.
got bit by grass. Got.
Attacked by a wild blade of grass.
Oh my gosh.
Shush.
The worst type of grass.
Shush it.
Look at that. Zip, zip, zip.
Okay, viewers who are still watching this without playing it at double speed so you can just get through it.
Yeah.
Please check out my stuff on Fine Art America.
You could get a shower
I'm gonna crunch for
curtain
money
with a
right now.
with a lightning bolt on it.
Yeah.
Paid.
You
Oh, you said no paid.
Well, this is different. I want this to
Advertisements.
happen.
You
anyway.
want this to happen?
Be careful.
Eh?
Don't, you're almost kicking my thing.
Because I'm like falling.
Go over there.
I just.
Trevor,
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
when you joke around,
That's-
stupid stuff
No, I was
happens.
actually sitting there, and the one time I'm not lying.
didn't get that
I
one.
actually fall. I'm trying to get every freaking lightning strike.
Yes, I am. That's what I've been doing for the past 2.5 years. 2 years.
We could get Illuminati with my thing.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Oh, that was a good one.
You missed it. I need a camera.
Yes, you have a GoPro.
Can't take pictures.
Oh, yeah.
Can it?
As far as I know, it
Actually,
can.
might be able to.
I don't know.
I don't know.
What's the point of taking a picture of jumping off a cliff when you can take a video of jumping off a cliff?
Mine's waterproof.
You win.
But mine you can't take off the case.
Yeah, you can.
No, mine you can't. Oh, maybe you can.
Yeah, you
no, I
can.
bought the one where I can't. No,
Really?
mine has an opener thing in the back so you can charge it and stuff.
I
And
thought
like put in the SD card and stuff. But all the rest of the case you can't take off.
with all GoPros you could take
No,
off.
only mine you can't
camera.
take off the case. Other ones, they don't have cases on them. Why would I take off the case? No need.
So,
Plus,
I don't
that
know.
makes it waterproof, protected.
The lens gets foggy, maybe.
Shut up! No, it doesn't.
Ew.
I didn't spit. I
You do not make hacking noises in my video. All right, let's see if we can be quiet. Let's see if we can both be quiet. Oh wait, I never finished what I was saying. Who doesn't want a shower curtain with one of my pictures of a pretty sunset?
A pretty sunset.
I have pretty sunset rainbow mamatis pictures.
Or you can
Mamatis.
get lightning on it, or if you ever see a tornado on it.
That hasn't happened yet.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. If you do see one, you
Foreshadow,
can put it on a
foreshadow.
Or I would just recommend going to other actual professional tornado chases.
Who says I'm not
But I
professional?
sell-
I sell my pictures. Your foot is leaning up against the leg of my stand.
No, now
You just kicked it.
is. Yeah, now it is.
So don't do that.
Before it wasn't, so you're lying. I hate you.
All right, no more talk. Enough gab.
I took it and threw it on the ground.
Shush. No songs. If I want music in my videos, I put it in my video. Just Please get back. You're making me nervous.
I see one star in the sky.
If you kick this over, it'll fall that way. The panel will shut and it'll stop recording.
What's that song that says, "Deep in the highway, Texas,
I think that's the correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's the Texas state anthem. Texas theme song. Shush. No more singing. No more.
Texas, the stars are too small. Out the light. Ah, it's daytime.
No more talking.
It's brighter when I close my eyes.
Okay.
Ow.
Don't move because you'll kick my thing.
You hurt me on the inside and the outside. When?
Don't kick my tripod.
It's doing me, tripod. I mean, Vivitar or Tripey. What's the preferred name? Put in the description below. Tripey or Vivitar for a name for this tripod. No lightning. I could use cream soda right now. I don't use a cream soda right now. Okay, sit back and enjoy the beauty. Why is there an angry bird toy back here?
I think that's for their dog.
Oh my god, I just saw someone with eyes in that bush.
Eyes?
Yes. It moved really quickly.
You didn't see eyes.
Right when you shined your phone right there, I saw two dots slither. Move really quickly from one bush to another.
So they weren't fireflies?
I have no idea what they were. I saw eyes move. I saw one over there.
We're gonna head up in a couple minutes anyway. Being bored out here. Have you been watching the lightning? I think it's been.
There's only one since we left.
I think it's been dying out. I'm gonna head up in a couple minutes.
Oh, there's a big one.
I missed it.
Yeah, I thought you would. That big. I see more spin. Yeah. I'm gonna head up.
Soon.
Wait, what's that rumble?
That's a plane.
Oh. So, I'm gonna leave you.
Alright. Soon. I'm going up in a couple minutes.
Yeah, I'll go when you do.
Still recording? Oh, I thought it wasn't recording for a second. Okay, watch your eyes. These are the lightning pictures I got. Here's the first one, second one, third. I like that one.
If an animal
Fourth.
eats us, I don't want
And
to
fifth.
be eaten.
I'm not
If
tasty.
an animal eats us, I don't want to be eaten.
Hey,
Tell him while we're in his belly.
I'm
I
getting
don't
tired
like it.
and hot and thirsty
How
and
are you
bored.
hot right now?
Because
Feel
it's
my
humid.
fingers. Do they feel weird? Like, you're sweaty.
feel like
Ew.
I told you, it's
How
getting
are
hot.
you hot right
Don't
now?
walk in front of the camera. Okay.
They won't see me.
Two more lightning flashes and I'm gonna stop.
You don't see me. Can't see me.
Shush. There's one. Actually,
You hear that?
no. Actually, one more, and I'm gonna look to the left because there's some lightning over there.
Yes, lots of lightning everywhere.
But I'm just gonna look over there for a little bit.
I'm telling you, bro. I think I'm seeing bright lights now.
You mean the things
I'm
in the
seeing
sky?
dots.
They're
No,
probably
those
fireflies.
are lights from the houses in the distance. I thought they were like blinking in the bushes. Or there is something blinking in the bushes. Or behind it.
Ooh, that was a cool one. Alright, I'm gonna look over here now. Is that in the right direction?
I can
Yeah.
walk in this direction now.
Sitting down again.
You should head up.
In a couple
Oh
minutes.
my god. I'm like, watch me lean.
Be careful.
See, I'm leaning,
Ah! Lightning bug. It was on my leg.
leaning.
A legging bug was on my light.
Whoa, that was big. It went through like all the clouds in a line.
They've been doing that forever.
It was a bolt in lines. And then bolt in the clouds. Hey, see that house way off in the distance with that like light up, with that lit up room, the
Yeah.
orange room?
Yeah.
Doesn't that look like somebody like looking at us
Ah.
through a telescope or something? Look
No.
at that.
That's a tree.
Oh my god, it looks
Sure.
like Scream
Fine.
with an AK-47 assault rifle. I'm seeing like Scream in his black robe with a white mask, like leaning, like facing one direction with like a gun. Like, that looks really creepy. Or it looks like
Yeah.
some dude
Alright.
sniping us.
I'm gonna stop.
Looking at his
No more.
victims from
Bye bye,
down the hill.
internet.